Get ready to gear up and enter the incredible world of heavy transport. These machines aren't just steel giants, they're unstoppable, roaring legends. Think of these machines as the superheroes of the transport world, doing things most people wouldn't believe were possible. Today's stories are going to leave you in awe. Alright folks, picture this. A massive industrial giant is on the move in Edmonton, Alberta, the huge petrochemical splitter.
This thing is a beast.
It's a piece of equipment designed for some serious work in the petrochemical industry, where it plays a key role in breaking down complex molecules into simpler ones, usually for refining or chemical processing. Think of it as the heavyweight champion in the world of industrial machinery, designed to handle huge loads, extreme temperatures, and intense pressure. Talk about a piece of history. Booster 1023, the legend that flew on both Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy missions, has landed a permanent gig as a museum exhibit at the Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex. It's not just a relic, it's proof that SpaceX is light years ahead of the pack. While others are still catching up, SpaceX is busy rewriting the rules, celebrating milestones, and flexing their reusable rocket tech. The future of space exploration isn't just on the horizon, it's here, and it's shining bright. Witness the incredible journey of relocating the 650-year-old, 1,500-ton Artuklu Hammam, a masterpiece of engineering and teamwork. Spanning 2,950 meters of rugged terrain, this colossal undertaking was flawlessly executed using cutting-edge hydraulic jacks and advanced SPMT systems. Every move was a symphony of precision, as the crew turned an impossible task into a seamless triumph. It's a jaw-dropping tribute to the brilliance of human ingenuity and determination. Meet the MAN TGX-8 by 441.640, the powerhouse of heavy transport. This beast of a truck teams up with a custom-built Bru 3-bed 5-dolly low loader to form a dream duo. Packed with advanced tech, this combo doesn't just haul, it conquers, boosting our efficiency and customer service game. A true engineering marvel, it's the definition of reliability and strength. Seeing this beauty rolling down the road is like spotting a modern-day titan in action. The video highlights an important reminder about the risks involved in heavy construction. While the loading of the 800-ton box girder onto the specialized transport vehicle is an impressive feat of engineering, it's concerning to see workers without safety harnesses. This stands in sharp contrast to the safety standards upheld in the United States, where protecting workers is always a top priority. Picture this, a giant piece of machinery, weighing as much as a fully loaded jumbo jet, trying to navigate the wrong way on a busy highway off-ramp. It's a logistical challenge, with the potential for traffic jams and serious delays. Definitely a situation that calls for some serious coordination to get things back on track. This video is like a dramatic stage description for the intense world of transporting massive equipment. The huge trucks, while ferry is the vessel that carries them. The brute force is the weight and power of the trucks as they unload. The high-risk ballet part adds a sense of precision and danger. It's a mix of danger and skill, almost like a carefully choreographed dance, but with heavy machinery. Back in April 2016, something truly extraordinary went down. A monumental piece of history got a new address. The First Spiritualist Church of Springfield, standing tall since 1887, was relocated a whopping 400 feet to make way for the MGM Springfield Casino. Picture this: 68 steel beams, 20 hydraulic jacks, and 14 Buckingham dollies teaming up like a well-rehearsed orchestra to carry this historic gem to its new home. This wasn't just a move, it was a masterclass in engineering brilliance. Transporting heavy-duty machinery like a rotor shaft is no small feat, but companies like Welty Fur Nukren and Spiel Transport AG make it look seamless. Their recent project from Ghosn to Cream showcased their expertise, using a high-tech modular axle system with 21 axles. Seriously impressive engineering. Huge respect to the drivers and crew for their hard work. CAD planning is vital, but being able to adapt to unexpected weather? That's next-level skill. The dependability of trusted brands like Goldhofer and Mercedes only adds to their success. Keep raising the bar, team. Picture this: a transformer, which is a massive heavy-duty piece of equipment used to step up or step down voltage in power lines, but this one is huge. We're talking 923,000 pounds of pure weight. That's almost half the weight of a blue whale. Now, moving something this colossal requires serious muscle, and that's where Bale Brothers Crane and Rigging comes in. They specialize in heavy lifting and transportation, and when a transformer like this needs to be moved, they pull out all the stops. Alright folks, buckle up, because we're talking about the Sleipner transport system with a Komatsu fleet, an absolute game changer in the world of heavy machinery transport. That looked like they could wrestle a mountain and win. But moving them across a site? That's a whole other challenge. The Sleipner transport system is like the VIP shuttle service for heavy equipment. Instead of slowly crawling across rough terrain, these Komatsu beasts get hitched to the Sleipner system, a clever setup of ramps and wheels that transforms them into passengers behind a towing vehicle.
An amazing feat.
Total Movement PVT Ltd has outdone themselves by successfully transporting 5 colossal NRL jetty vessels to their destination at NRL. Their impeccable logistics and unmatched expertise in managing oversized, heavy equipment made the entire operation seamless. This project's sheer scale and complexity highlight their outstanding capabilities. Huge applause to the team for pulling off this monumental task with such incredible precision. Alright folks, let's talk about the Schnabel car. It's the heavy hauler superstar of the rail world, the Hercules of transportation, if you will. This beast isn't your typical rail car. Transporting nuclear materials is a huge deal. Safety is everything. The Schnabel car isn't just about strength, it's about finesse. It's designed to absorb shocks, minimize vibrations, and ensure the container stays secure throughout the journey. In short, it's got brains, brawn, and a solid respect for what it's carrying. India's varied landscape presents distinct challenges when it comes to transporting large cargo, but NTC Logistics has successfully delivered a 375 metric ton stat for power generation with a creative, all-encompassing solution. By combining heavy-duty trucks, a girder bridge and a barge, they expertly handled both land and water routes. Join us as we follow the journey from Chhattisgarh to its final destination. Remarkable. This company has pulled off more than 240 mobilizations of pile drivers and lattice cranes across the country over the past 9 years, earning a rock-solid reputation as one of the most dependable players in the industry. Their ability to handle the technical and legal challenges of transporting pile drivers weighing up to 100 tons is nothing short of admirable. Wolf House Movers and Buckingham Transport took on the challenge of moving a massive 250,000-pound industrial press from the Portsmouth Marine Terminal in Virginia all the way to Union, South Carolina, standing 13 feet tall. This press was no small task, but with our 16-axle dual-lane beam and dolly transporter, we kept the load just 16 inches off the ground. This smart setup let us cruise along the route without needing bucket trucks to lift overhead wires. Efficiency and precision at their best. Buchanan Hauling and Rigging expertly moved a toll gantry superload from Central to South Florida as a single unit, showcasing exceptional planning and flawless execution. The talented crew and skilled driver displayed remarkable precision and dedication, overcoming obstacles to deliver the gantry safely and efficiently. This impressive feat highlights their expertise in heavy haul logistics. Moving the John Deere 1910G to its new location via trailer is like giving a heavyweight athlete a ride to their next big match. The 1910G, a top-tier forestry machine, is hefty and built for serious work, so loading it onto a trailer requires some careful planning and heavy-duty equipment. It's all about precision, safely securing the machine to avoid any shifts during transport and making sure it's balanced right. It's a mix of power, safety, and a bit of finesse to get this machine to its next challenge. Alright folks, here's the story. What you're looking at is a full-blown house move, but not your run-of-the-mill down-the-street kind of deal. This one's heading down a steep hill above a river. A house on wheels defying gravity. Now, check out the team effort here. The big rig in front is pulling the house like it's no big deal, that 16-ton excavator chained to the back of the trailer. It's not just hitching a ride, it's acting as a brake, adding some much-needed drag to keep this whole operation under control as they navigate the slope. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at the world of massive machinery, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more action-packed videos. You won't want to miss what's coming next.